All right, we're going to look at volume of rectangular prisms, very similar to what we did yesterday. We're going to add a different type of question in here, but we're doing the same thing. This top part might look familiar because we were doing it yesterday. Sorry about that. So the formula is the same one. Volume equals capital B H, which means the area of the base times the height. So these type of questions that we're going to look at today, they're going to give us the shape of the base, and then they're just going to tell us what the height is. They're not going to actually show us the full rectangular prism, but we're still going to find the volume of it. So on number one, it says, what is the volume of a rectangular prism with a height of 3 feet and the base shown below? Well, the first thing, I'm going to highlight this height of 3 feet because we're going to need that here in just a minute. But like same thing we did yesterday, we've got to find the area of the base first. Well, we know right here is my base, so I've got to find the area of that. And to do that, I'm going to just multiply those two numbers because we know to find the area of a square, I just need to multiply the length times the width. And I know 6 times 6 is 36. So that's my area of the base. Now I'm going to plug it in the formula. So I've got 36, and then we know right here that the height was 3. So really we're doing the same thing as yesterday. So now we're going to take 36 and multiply by 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So I get 108 feet cubed. So really we're doing the same thing as yesterday. We're still just multiplying those three numbers, but this question type is a little different. On the next one, it says the following image represents the base of a rectangular prism. What is the volume if the height is 12 centimeters? So again, I'm going to highlight this because it's giving me my third number down here. I know the height is going to be 12. But to start off with, I'm going to find the area of this base. So I know 9 times 4 is 36. So the area of this is 36 centimeters. That is not our answer. Don't put 36. We're not finding the area of a rectangle. We're finding volume. So I'm going to plug that in my formula for the area of the base, or the capital B. And then the height we said was 12. So 36 times 12. I'm going to do right down here. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 plus 1 is 7. And I can add a 0. And then I just have a 1 right here. So I'm going to put a 6 and then a 3. And I can add those. I get 2. 7 plus 6 is 13. And then 3 plus 1 is 4. So I get 432 centimeters cubed is the volume of a shape with this base and a height of 12 centimeters. And then lastly, what is the volume of a prism that has the following base and a height of 3 feet? This is a little easier one, some smaller numbers. I'm finding the area of the base. So that's an easy one because I just have 4 times 2, which is 8. So my volume, I need to take the area of the base, which is 8, and then I need to multiply it by the height, which we said was 3, and 8 times 3 is 24 feet cubed. All right, so that's volume. Remember, always find the area of the base, and then do not forget to multiply it by the height. If you have any questions, jump into our meet sessions and ask us for help.